Guided meditation swimming across the river. Turn off your phone. I would like you to find a quiet place where nobody will distract you. You can sit down or lie down. Take a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Allow your body to sink into a totally relaxed state. Just hear my voice and let your mind relax together with your body. Follow my voice. Take a deep breath in and out. Another deep breath in and out. And the third breath in and out. As you go deeper into the relaxation, any external noise and sounds will only help you to connect with your inner world. Allow your body to relax more and more, deeper and deeper. Relax your shoulders, elbows, wrists, and every finger on your hands. At some point, allow your chest to relax. Your breathing might get deeper and slower, deeper and slower. Relax your abdominal muscles. Allow the wave of relaxation to travel down to your belly. Relax your legs, your knees, relax your ankles, relax your feet. Start relaxing your back muscles, relax your lower back, your middle back, your upper back. Allow all the muscles along your spine to relax. Relax your neck, the back of your head. Relax your temples, your forehead, your eyebrows. Relax your cheeks, relax your jaw, and relax your eyes. I will count down from 10 to 1. Each time I say a number, I want you to sink deeper and deeper into a relaxed state. You will remain awake. You will not go to sleep. Just follow my voice. 10, 9, 8, 7. You are relaxing more and more, deeper and deeper. 6, 5, 4. There is a beautiful relaxing feeling moving into every cell of your body. 3, 2, 1. Now you are totally relaxed, totally relaxed. Imagine yourself standing on the bank of a river. Take your time. Let the image to appear. Anything that you see is good. Just observe what you see. What is the weather here? What is the season? What does the river look like? What color is the river? How wide is it? Look at the opposite bank. How does it look? How does it differ from this side? Notice how you look, your clothing, your hair, your age. Notice how you feel here. Look at the other side. Notice if the river is wide or narrow. There is no right or wrong here. Just notice what you see. There is a new, comfortable clothes waiting for you on the other side. So undress and enter the water. Feel the water and start swimming. Swim at your own pace. Feel the water with every cell of your body. Feel how it flows. The river is helping you to swim. It is gentle and caring. Allow the water to cleanse you, to cleanse your body, your thoughts, your resentments. You cross the first quarter of the river. Notice that your stress goes away, your anxiety decreases, and it becomes easier and easier for you to swim across the river. Keep swimming. Keep letting the river to cleanse your body, to cleanse your thoughts. Allow the river to help you to swim. Now you have crossed the middle part of the river and you're swimming through the second half. Feel the water, how it's continuing to cleanse you. You're letting go of your old patterns, your old beliefs. You're letting go of everything that was holding you down. It becomes easier and easier to swim. Continue swimming. Notice that you're getting closer to the opposite shore. There is a joy and lightness in your body. Maybe you feel some excitement already. Notice the bottom of the river under you. You're no longer swimming, you're walking. Feel your steps. Look at the shore. There is new, comfortable clothing. Exit the water and notice how the water runs off you. Your body is no longer wet. You are dry. Something magical has happened to you. Feel it and put on the new clothing. Notice your new look. What has changed? How do you feel now? It's time to look ahead of you. There is a road in front of you. It is the path to your new life, the path that's filled with love and abundance. Start walking. Take a few steps. And remember how you feel here. Say thank you to yourself for the work that you've done. And keep walking. I will count from 1 to 10. Each time I say a number, you will feel the new energy come more and more alive within you. At the same time, you will feel calmer and more secure. On the count of 10, you're going to open your eyes and feel this new energy within yourself, with every cell of your body. You're coming up from 1, 2, 3. You're feeling the new energy flow into every cell of your being. It's yours. It's not a dream. You're up to 4, to 5. You feel more and more alive and at the same time calmer and more secure. You're up to 6, to 7. Connect to your breathing, connect to your body. You are alive, relaxed, and aware of what's happening within you. On the count of 10, you will open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. You're going to be aware of your new desires, your new feelings and emotions. You will see new opportunities in life. You will meet new people. You will feel great. You're going to be truthful to yourself. You will take care of yourself. Appreciate and love yourself. You are at 8, 9, and 10. Open your eyes. You're back in your room. Take a deep breath in and accept the new energy that you feel right here, right now.